Hello and welcome back to the Coding Hub. In today's video we'll have a look at the Pixel 6 unboxing. I thought I'd try something different on my channel, so please like and comment below if you enjoy this video and if you would like to see more of these types of videos. So this morning I received my Pixel 6 with the case and 30-watt USB charger, which we'll be unboxing all of these today as I receive them. And one other thing, if you pre-order this in the UK, you can also claim your free Bose headphones, so make sure you claim those if you pre-ordered in the UK. Okay, let's get started with the probably most boring one, the case. I ordered I can't remember the name of this one, but it's the black one for the Pixel 6, and it's 30% recycled plastic, which is pretty awesome. So let's get that open. Okay, and inside the box there's just a case and a little bit of warranty information about the case. So apparently the case comes with warranty, which is awesome. And yeah, it feels like a really nice case. Cool, let's put this down. Let's open up the charger. So the new Pixel phones don't come with a USB charger, so you have to buy that separately if you don't have one. I do have one, however I wanted the 30-watt one because it gives you that fast charging that they advertise on the Pixel event. So let's get that open. Actually open this. You pull it out and put this down, and here you've literally just got the 30-watt charger and some documentation, safety information down here. Let's put this down and open this up. It does feel quite heavy, it feels heavier than a normal charger. I've never had a 30-watt charger before. Yeah, it looks really nice. It's got the Google logo on here, and yeah, just a normal charger. Cool, put this down, and now for the main thing, the Pixel 6. It's got some. I've got the black version of the Pixel 6, and it's got these little flaps here that you can use to easily open it. Let's peel these off. Okay. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it does look really nice. Yeah, the camera visor bump is actually pretty cool in real life. I wasn't too sure on the images, but it does look pretty nice in real life. And let's do the unpeel. Cool. Let's put this down for a minute. And in the box we have a USB-C to USB adapter and USB-C cable and some documentation. And I believe in here we also have the we have the SIM card. The SIM card metal bit that opens up the SIM card holder. Let's take this out. And let's see, so the SIM card holder is down here at the bottom of the phone. So if we open this up, and I have my SIM card ready. This is for my old phone. Okay, put that in. Cool. do like the feel of this phone. It does feel really, really nice. I will put the case on just because I'm not great with dropping of phones. I don't want to drop this phone. So let's put the case on. Probably easier if you go from the top rather than the side. I normally go sideways. But yeah, this one is easier if you go from the top. And there we go. And the case is actually really, really nice. With the phone in there, and it feels quite substantial and nice. So let's power this on. You can see the bottom of the phone here. There we go. Powering on, you can see the camera circle at the top there. It takes quite a long time to boot up, and there's the welcome screen. There's some really nice vibrations when this hits the line down here. It actually feels really cool. You can feel the little vibration, which is nice. But yeah, so this is the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 case and the 30-watt charger unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Thank you very much. Bye bye.